Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I got the SRT back here again. And what I wanted to do with this car today is get some nice fog lights. My foggers are actually out at the moment. So I want to put some nice yellow fog lights. And I also wanted to change my side markers. And so this is the style I'm going with, some smoke side markers, and I got these from Amazon, some yellow fog lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the bumper and show you guys how to do that. Just a few 8mm and some 10mm on the wheel wells. My setup might be a little bit different since half of my fender liner is missing for some reason, the front side. I know some people remove the headlights in order to access the fog lights and disconnect them in order to remove the whole bumper. Get yourself an 8mm and hit these bolts right here. 1, 2, 3. I think that's it. 3 on the front. I'll go ahead and come down here. And I'm also gonna disconnect my side markers. All right, now I'm on the left side, and I'm gonna do the same thing and disconnect my side markers and my fog lights and the 310s, and then pull my bumper down. Now that the bumper's off, go ahead and pull the bumper off completely. Okay, so here I got my side marker. I'm gonna remove this tab. Hopefully I can just pop it out with a screwdriver. And then push in and out. And that's one of the old side markers. And both of the ends where the bolt goes in, light bulb goes in, looks the same. So now just reverse. Put that clip back on. So I'm basically just gonna use some pliers. Now I have one of these fog lights, yellow fog lights, and then you just twist, and that's it, guys. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. So now I'm gonna mount the bumper.
The lights are bright, March Madness in the air tonight. 14 stand with dreams so high. Illinois, Yukon, reaching for the sky. Michigan.
Now I'm gonna do these top 8mm.
Who will be the champion? Who will dare? Final four. It's the showdown.